Now, I have another video to show you, but before I show you the video, there's a company some of you know called BB Light Concept. So BB Light Concept have a special type of light called a light pipe. And the light pipe will be described in the video, so I'm not going to describe it here, but what I will tell you at the beginning is that they did two things at the same time. They completely redesigned their product for cradle to cradle, and they developed an innovative lease to go along with it. So they did a financial innovation and a materials design innovation at the same time. Pause for effect.
BB Light Concepts is an innovating company, member of the stock-registered company, the TKH Group, designing their own high-end LED light pipe fixtures and produce them in the Netherlands.
We are making light fixtures for the business-to-business market, and light fixtures based purely on LED technology. What we are doing is beaming in the light into a hollow tube, and this hollow tube is provided with special optical light films, and with that we can create uniform and constant light output glare-free. We are designing the products here in the factory, and after all the drawings have been made, we are going to several suppliers in Europe and in Holland, not the Far East. And after making the deals with those suppliers, they will bring the components here back in the factory, and where the final assembly will be done here, including all the testing.
In order to produce sustainable according to the cradle-to-cradle concept, BB Light Concept designed their own production machine. This machine uses vacuum technology to place the special optical foils into the tubes without using any glue. All LED products of BB Light Concept standard have DALI, digital addressable lighting interface. Each fixture has a unique address. Each LED light pipe fixture can be programmed to any required light level and can obtain minimal energy consumption by making use of a dim schedule protocol. For example, the LED light pipe system in car parks can be equipped with motion sensors. When no one is present, the system can be dimmed back down to, for example, 10%. Using a dim protocol with sensors can achieve an overall energy saving of more than 60%. BB Light Concept produces their product by using the concept of cradle to cradle. The basic idea behind this concept is that all components used in the total product can be brought back in the production process at the equivalent level at the end of its life. All our LED products meet the criteria of the C2C concept and are fully recyclable. For more information, please have a look at our website, Facebook or YouTube. www.bb-lightconcepts.eu.
Okay, so this is an ingenious product, and I want to show you why. It has 5 value propositions connected to it. It's designed for quick assembly and installation. So this is really important when you're doing renovations, for example, or you're replacing existing lighting, or you're putting in new construction. So normally they have to put in the fixtures, everything else. This stuff all snaps in. It's designed for flexible reuse. Now, why is this important for building developers? Because now, these days, with buildings, you never know what's going to happen in 5 years. So the developers always want to have the building capable of being repurposed without a big expense. This snaps in and snaps out, so you can just replace it in another part of the building, and you don't have to bring in another type of light pipe or anything else. Capital expenditures, CapEx. They have a leasing concept connected to it. So, you don't have to lay out a whole bunch of capital. And I'll come back to that in a moment. They bundle, they combine it with a management of energy use. So they actually help you to manage your energy use in your building along with the lighting. And all the parts are designed for materials reuse. As they said, there is no glues used. Everything snaps apart. And they really redesigned the whole the product. They brought it into our office, and we tore the whole thing apart and put it back together. And we did it with the help, actually, of a waste management company at the same time. The result of all of this is that they provide a money-back guarantee that over a period of approximately 5 years, your energy savings will pay for the lease. Can you imagine that? It's really a phenomenal offer, but that's, in fact, what they do. So here is a product that has 5 value propositions connected to it that could only be offered now with the cradle-to-cradle approach. Another elegant product, and by the way, so here's 2 products that are designed and manufactured in the Benelux, Europe. This innovation is happening right in this region.